Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a very important tutorial that let you export a model from Rhino to or Grasshopper to Lumion or D5 render, Twinmotion. So I will explain the process in a few passages. The first passage you have to do is to set the model into meter. So if you don't have the model in meter, you have to go here in the left bottom part of the Canva and set unit in postation, and then you are going to change here the unity you want, but usually it's meter. The second advice I want to give you is to work next to that 0, and because in Lumion or in D5 it will be your pivot point. So if you don't have, put the model next to the 0 point, and it will be very difficult to move the model inside the rendering software. Perfect. Now we have to set the model. What it means? It means that every part that in the final model will be represented with the same material have to be in the same layer. So for example, all the walls are inside a layer for me. And second, very important things is to apply a material here. It doesn't matter it's a white material, but you have to change the name in order to have a different name for a different material. Two materials with the same name can create problem. So you always change the name or the color of each material. So you will find a layer in Lumion or in D5. You will find a layer for each material you assign. Lumion or Twinmotion or D5 doesn't read the name of the layer, but they read the material. Okay, last advice is to map the model. Usually for architectural issue, it's enough to take the model, select all the model, go on property, OVU mapping, and then select square texture mapping. Then I create like a cube here, like a three line that define a cube, and then select the points of the cube in order to create like a cube that is 1 1 1. In this way you apply to all the model all this kind of mapping. It doesn't work for everything, but I can assure that it will work for 99% of your project. If you have naturally something that have to be mapped differently, you simply can do it focusing on that particular part of the model. But for architectural issues, it is enough. Okay, now your model is fully set and you can export to Lumion FBX or Lumion D5 or Twinmotion. To do this, select all the model you want to export, File, File, Export Selection, and then you have to select FBX. It's very important you remember the name, because it will be the file that you will recall from Lumion, Twinmotion or D5. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. See you on the next tutorial.